Christos' Instagram photo is hilarious.
I have no idea what I'm doing. Did that flash?
Yeah. It's Christos.
Perfect picture.
Sorry. No.
You didn't see me.
Oh shit.
I was taking pictures.
Oh, he's downstairs getting ready. Operation Deep Clean.
We'll clean the mess in less than an hour. It's the gutting that will take the longest.
This is going to be.
That's the thing. This is nothing. This is normal after a 2-day fucking hangout. Nice. Gang, gang, gang.
No, put your whole face in it.
Wait, no, put it back on, Grayson.
You look like a nun.
Safety is key when cleaning.
Nice hat. This would probably fit my small ass head.
It's mom's, I think.
Well, it says Tobin in it.
One of those fucking backpacking backpacks.
Backpacking backpacks.
There's some shit in here.
More toys? Oh man, I'm in heaven. Fuck.
Now you're bucket man. Buckethead.
No.
Playboy's back here.
I highly doubt my mom will have any Playboys.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I got skills.
Ding! Ah! You bad.
Oh, fuck! Ah!
New camera.
New
camera.
Have you never seen this one?
No.
I got the new Gorilla Pod too. Got a stronger dildo.
His gorilla pooed.
Oh, so one finger's up your ass.
No, real shit though. So like, you set it up like this, so you can actually see the thing, and I walk up to people, and I just poke them in the
But really, how's Sammy? I'm good. How are you? Good.
No,
gasoline,
it's
Cook over
propane.
propane.
I did it on my
But it's still
phone.
probably
Yeah,
not
I know, it's
good.
fine. You cook burgers on propane? Yeah, it's
The most Canadian thing.
my dog's been scared all weekend.
Kid from the six.
Yeah, that way.
Dead.
My nana would like hold
Would you
me
like a
and
bowl?
we'd be like watching them.
Uh-huh.
Wait. It has nothing to do with you. I just don't want to fucking be here.
I want to see my dad. Dude, he lives on my
Yeah, good
You're
luck.
not gonna put a hole in it. It's just gonna it's gonna break. He's not gonna do it. I still got a couple more tries. Remember when you would go?
Oh shit.
Oh, I did it! Fuck you.
Don't fuck up.
We made it. Shut up. Shut up. Oh. This is some redneck shit right here.
Well, I mean,
Gosh.
What are you looking at?
Doing ATV?
Look at him.
If I fall, I fall, Sarah. I'm so serious. I'm gonna fall.
alright, who's ready to blow shit up soon? Logan, you ready to blow shit up? Yeah? Holy. What are we doing? Grabbing sand. Just dump it in there. Blake's got a knife already. Boom, done. Game changer. Alright, let's blow some shit up.
This is clearly a very concerning time for everyone.
Can we bring the blanket?
I mean, you can bring the blankets.
If I wear it like this?
Yeah, just make sure they stay away from us dumbasses playing with fire. Oh, I pray to God we don't die. Let's hope that we survive this bullshit. Bunch of fucking idiots playing with explosives. Here, Sarah.
Oh, you're the best.
Sure. Logan, do me a favor.
Yep.
Can you hold that for a second?
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Brought a blanket. Where's the rest of
They're coming.
Whoa. What is that?
Hold that and point it at me right here.
Hey, oh my god!
Okay, so we got a big case right there with a whole bunch of little fuckers. We got Roman candle, we got sparklers, we got... Stop fucking lighting shit on fire!
Stop moving!
Someone help me.
Yo, are you on your way? Okay, well, like the park is down by us. Like we just lit some sparklers, but we're only literally just starting. Try to rush over here. Haley and Guthrie are waiting for you in the backyard.
I can't spin it because it's spin as fuck.
They're waiting in the backyard for you, but we're over at the park right now. Reach, we're literally going nuts right now. All right, get over here quick. Bye bye. City fools.
I'm sorry, but
Oh.
you're retarded.
It was Mom's idea.
Retarded.
You're retarded. Blake, where'd you go? Oh, shit. Alright, let's fucking do this. Fuck all over that. Fuck you, bitch!
It's done. Oh, Jesus.
I hit Blake! Oh, fuck, bro!
Give me another Roman candle.
Oh my god! Whoa!
I got Guthrie swirling.
How many more do we have? How many more do we...
Guthrie burned my ear, bro. He got my ear and knocked my hat off.
Show the light of his ear. Show the light of his ear. Give me... Oh, shit. Alright, let's start fucking around with the normal fireworks. Oh, shit. Oh, okay. Ooh. Here's the lighter. Here's the lighter. Come here, wait, don't move. Yo, run! Oh, you hit him! Oh, you hit him!
My ear.
Are you okay?
Oh, you got me straight in the ear. Holy fuck.
Bro, are you good?
I feel like I'm on fire.
Whoa!
Oh, my ear hurts as fuck.
Woo!
You're fine.
Everybody back up, I got a fireworks set up.
Oh shit, heads up.
Back it up, back it up! Whoa! Are you fucking kidding me? Whoa, okay, there you go. Wow, that's a lot lower than I thought it'd be. Yo, bro, it's the beehive.
This is the hive.
It's the hive. Look at how beautiful it is. Man's lighting it with a cigarette. Oh shit, it worked. The cigarette worked. It's a burning schoolhouse, yo. Explosives are fun, eh?
But they named us, cause when we pull up, all aim, yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie, no, I'm the one, yeah.